Hi, welcome to Cree News. We will get you our company developing news. I am BGS Ogma. These are the headlines. Crew conducted CJ1 project kickoff meeting at Taj Coromandel Hotel. Financial year 2021 taxpayers can choose old or new methods introduced by central government. Balco 540 electrical team has received appreciation mail from client. Chachiguda IPP team once again proved by rack and load. Chachiguda operation team given training for defect identification.
CJ1 project's initial meet at Taj Kanmera. One initial meeting for CJ1 project was arranged by our organization on 25/2/2021. The higher officials of Tangenco and HO were invited as follows. Tangenco's Director Project Mr. A. Ashok Kumar, Chief Engineer Mr. Bertrand Russell, Senior Engineer Mrs. N. Mala and HO's Consultant Mr. J. E. Sivaramakrishnan were welcomed with flower bouquets by our Managing Director Mr. V. R. Sendil Kumar, Director Mrs. V. Radha Selvi, Presidents for Commercial Mr. G. Ambalavanan, Mr. K. Sugumar and Mr. A. Selvakumar, President Project and Services. After that, our Managing Director, Mr. V. R. Sendil Kumar, gave his welcome speech and extended his speech about our organization's growth from Radha Engineering Works during the year 1984 to Chennai Radha Engineering Works Private Limited by the year 2005, by starting operation and maintenance works at thermal power plants and then gradually improved to do port handling, material handling, railway works and mining works excellently. And also, he conveyed proudly that we are completing all the works related to projects in prior before the actual completion date given in the contract. Apart from that, he gave assurance to the higher officials of Tangenco and HO that this CJ1 project will be completed before the given time successfully with excellent quality. Further, he concluded his speech with his heartfelt thanks and wishes to all. After that, our General Manager, Mr. Muthukumar, showed the presentation for the CJ1 project, which was prepared by S-Mike and project team one by one. This project included with the following works of fixing mechanization to unload the coal from Coaljet 1 with design. Engineering includes investigations, constructions of marine civil structures. It is planned to design the 2000 TPH gantry grab type shore unloader, 2 numbers, and 4000 TPH conveyor system and joined with the current conveyor system. In addition to this conveyor systems, fabrication, assembly, inspection and testing at manufacturer or sub-vendors work, supply, storage, erection, testing and commissioning. We have been awarded an order to execute the operation and maintenance work by Tangenco. Hence, the method to fix the mechanization on Coaljet 1 were explained in detail through the exact diagram. At the end of this session, opinions of all were discussed and proper clarifications were also given. Finally, once again, our Managing Director, Mr. V. R. Sendil Kumar, conveyed his heartfelt thanks and wishes to the higher officials of Tangenco and HO as well as to our higher officials. Opportunity to pay one or both of the new or old system introduced by the central government for income tax payers from this financial year 2020 to 21. The central government has announced a new procedure for filing income tax returns for the financial year of 2020 to 21. At the same time, it has announced that the current old scheme of filing income tax return will also continue. A return can be filed under existing tax regime. Parallelly, a new tax regime also has been introduced. However, the tax rebate or exemption ceiling remains at 2.5 lakhs. Taxpayers can opt for a new plan or remain in the old plan to suit their needs. Employee can change the option every year between new and old plan, but they have to submit the undertaking to the accounts department about the option they are choosing to file the income tax return to calculate the tax each year. If old plan is selected, then employees must submit necessary document to arrive the tax. Those earning up to rupees 5 lakhs per annum need not pay any tax under both old and new tax schemes as per the TDS section 87A. In the old scheme, the tax deduction limit given by the government on the gross annual income was rupees 2,50,000. Apart from that, we can use rent, EPF, tuition fees, insurance premium and other savings, family personal mediclaim, donation, repayment of home loan to bank and interest thereon, plus the standard deduction of rupees 50,000 given by the government as deduction and the remaining amount only taxable. But in the new scheme, the tax deduction limit given by the government on the gross income for the year will be Rs 2,50,000 and the total remaining amount will be taxed. You can also go to the income tax website address in the given description below to check the tax payable on the new and old income tax return by specifying the total gross income of the person and the total amount of tax deduction document he has planned. The tax rate and calculation method under the new and old income tax scheme are given below. Systems reliability is upgraded through major maintenance at Balco 540. Conveyor 04A, Conveyor 1A and 1B paddle feeders EOCR were fixed and its panel is fully revived. In order to save the paddle feeders of Conveyor 04A and Conveyor 1A and 1B from the unexpected situations and overload, bimetallic thermal overload relay OLR was used. More chances were there to the OLR to got disabled due to high temperature or low sensitivity, which may lead to failure of motor 2. Our electrical team explained this to our client and got approval to modify the same. After obtaining proper approval from our client, new spare parts were collected from them and modified the existing OLR by using a modern electronic overcurrent relay EOCR and also done rewiring for the full panel. Due to this effective modification, the reliability of motor protection system is increased and the chances for motor failure is also got reduced. All areas cable trays were cleaned within 1 month. The frequent cleaning of cable trays is more essential. If we fail to clean so, chances are there to get fire during the summer due to chronic fine cold. Considering this fact, we were cleaning all cable trays in between a specific duration gap before summer. Accordingly, in our Balco 540, as a precautionary act, all the cable trays were cleaned within a month before summer. The above mentioned works had avoided the unnecessary repairs in machines and reliability had been confirmed. Mr. Niranjan Kumar, electrical head of CPP 540, highly appreciated our team for this effort and honored with certificate of appreciation.
These are the end from me and my team. Subscribe YouTube channel Kuru Media. Thanks for watching.